I needed a oil pressure light for a motorcycle I'm moving the instruments around on. This is from Alpine Tech, is what the store is. It's just, they'll come in different sizes. This one's 12 millimeter, I think. I've got all kinds of different lights. They got neutral lights, indicator lights. Most lights, like the oil pressure light, actually, the circuit is grounded until it has oil pressure. So what happens is there's a spring in the oil pressure switch, which is normally grounded, and it won't lose ground until it has pressure, which is a little disc that oil pressures the disc open so it no longer makes contact. Yeah, there we go. It's a little oil can on there. That's what you get. So just remember, ground circuit, the only thing you're going to have on there, you're going to have 12 volts hooked up to this accessory switch off your key switch or something, so it only comes on when the key's on. It just goes to the oil pressure switch, which is just going to ground it. Then as soon as you have oil pressure, it's going to basically kill the ground. And these are LEDs, so you're not going to have any, very low amperage draw, and you're not going to have any little tiny light bulbs that are going to blow out or lose contact.